U.S. nat gas futures are experiencing a pullback on Friday after significant gains, despite a smaller-than-expected storage draw of 14 billion cubic feet in the EIA's weekly storage report. The recent surge in natural gas prices highlighted its sensitivity to positive news. Despite a notably bearish storage report being released, market attention shifted entirely to an approaching winter storm in the United States over the weekend. The market appears responsive to bullish signals but is cautious about potential excess supply. The ongoing upswing is probably driven by the closing of short positions. However, there hasn't been a shift in the overall trend, and professionals seem ready to resume short positions. Weather forecasts for mid-January, predicting colder conditions and the possibility of winter storms across the U.S., have the potential to increase demand for nat gas. These projections, encompassing snow in the Northeast and a more significant system expected next week, play a crucial role in shaping market expectations. In its most recent report, the Energy Information Administration revealed a slight reduction in storage levels for the week ending December 29, underscoring a subdued beginning to the winter demand season. As withdrawals at present are notably lower than the 5-year average, market attention is increasingly directed toward the equilibrium between supply and consumption. The nat gas markets experienced a favorable week, primarily propelled by the expectation that the winter storm in the northeastern United States will persist, sustaining demand. Today, bears tried to breach the $2.70 support level, but miserably failed. The current price has surpassed the minor resistance at $2.82 and is approaching the next resistance at $2.86. This level could serve as a pivot for further upward movement. The recent rally was halted by a confluence of the $2.86 resistance and the 150-day moving average, indicating strong overhead barriers to upward movement. If this main resistance is surpassed, it may lead to a test of the main resistance at $3. In summary, the price's positioning relative to the moving averages and support levels indicates a cautious optimism in the market, with a keen focus on upcoming resistance levels. Moreover, if the weather forecast does change to the colder side over the weekend, we may see an uptick in natural gas prices on Monday. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support the channel if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.